Fun facts about clownfish. Sex change. All clownfish are born male. In groups, the largest and most dominant male will change into a female when the previous female dies or disappears. Anemone symbiosis. Clownfish have a special mucus layer that protects them from the sea anemone's venom. They live inside the anemone for protection. The clownfish clean the anemone of parasites and food debris. Social structure. They live in small, tight-knit social groups inside the anemone, consisting of a pair of adult males and females breeders and several immature juvenile males. Loyal males. Male clownfish are dedicated males. He is responsible for guarding and fanning the eggs until they hatch.